Hi guys! Welcome to Simple Basics. Panibagong tutorial na naman tayo. This time, tuturuan ko kayo ng isang Christmas song. Ito ay ang Last Christmas by Wham. Sobrang easy lang ito guys na version na ituturo ko sa inyo. Huwag kayong mag-alala kasi wala tayong gagamitin ditong bar chord.
Oh yeah!
Ang mga chords na gagamitin natin dito ay D, B minor 7, E minor, and then A. Yun guys, sobrang easy lang nito. 4 na chords lang ang gagamitin natin simula sa umpisa ng kanta hanggang sa tapos nito. And then pagdating naman sa strumming pattern, sobrang easy lang din. Ganito yung gagamitin nating strumming pattern guys. Yan. So, tugtugan natin siya guys para makuha ninyo yung pasunod-sunod ng mga chords. Simulan natin sa intro.
Let's do this.
And then, pasok na kayo guys sa verse 1. I mean, hindi naman talaga siya actually verse 1, kundi pasok pala kayo muna sa chorus. Yung simula pala nito is chorus.
Last Christmas, I gave my heart. The very next day, I gave it away. This year, instead of you, I gave it to someone special.
Ayun. Kakaiba naman kasi itong kanta ito. Ang simula niya ay chorus agad. Hindi naman siya agad-agad verse 1.
Okay.
Yan, medyo nalito lang tayo doon guys. And then after nung instrumental, then chorus, saka na kayo magbe-verse 1. Ito na yun guys.
Once bitten, twice shy. I keep my distance, but just to catch my eye. Tell me, baby, do you recognize me? Well, it's something new, doesn't surprise me. Christmas,
Reverse to.
but I think Santa didn't want to say I'll be running. Now I'm kiss me now,
Yan. So yun guys yung verse 1 tsaka verse 2. And then balik naman kayo sa chorus.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart. The very next day, you gave it away. This year, instead of you, I gave it to someone special.
Isa pa.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart. The very next day, you gave it away. This year, instead of you, I gave it to someone special.
And then magbe-verse ulit kayo. And then verse 4. Tama ba? Verse 4. Yan. After nung verse 3 tsaka verse 4, balik naman kayo sa chorus.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart. The very next day, you gave it away. This year, instead of you, I gave it to someone special.
Isa pa.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart. The very next day, you gave it away. This year, instead of
So kung mapapansin nyo guys, paulit-ulit lang naman yung mga chords niya, yung D, B minor 7, A minor 8. Ulit-ulit lang guys, simula sa intro, chorus, verse 1, verse 2, and so on yun. Same chords, same pattern, and same lang din yung strumming pattern na ginamit natin. Yun guys, sobrang dali lang talaga nito guys. Bagay na bagay ito sa mga beginners o sa mga nagsisimula pa lang matutong tumugtog ng gitara. Yun, pwedeng nyo ito pag-aralan lalo na ngayon na yun nga, medyo malapit na magpasko. So kung may bala kayong mga rolling, pwede nyo itong gamitin. So yun guys, sana'y may natutunan kayo sa ating tutorial ngayong araw. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at mag-hit ng notification bell. Hanggang sa muli mga ka-basics. Bye-bye.